All right, we're going to be doing a live trading session on the SPY here. It has had a massive gap down on the 30-minute chart. We're going to see if this can close green, and we're going to consider buying the dip if it's showing signs of a reversal. It is currently trading at the best levels possible to be buying. If it starts to go below 739, 738, then it's going to be extremely bearish. If it maintains, it's going to be an overall bullish, strong closing trend day. Historically, looking at the patterns, it was supposed to be bullish if it gaps down. So we'll see how this reacts at the overall best levels, which is what it's currently trading at. So let's get straight into it. SPY's at 740. Still not in a trade, despite this dropping like fucking 6 points in the blink of an eye. So this is amazing. We literally have the best dip buying opportunity on the planet. If it doesn't work out, we can just cut it. If it does work out, today could be a strong bullish day where this goes all the way back to 746 plus. So this is going to be exciting. I'm looking forward to it. That looks interesting on the 5-minute chart. On the 10-minute chart, I like that. But let's take a look, man. So in terms of the game plan was if SPY gaps down to buy. That was the game plan, 100%. And it was to buy early. And we just had a morning dip. So, with that being said, man, I'm gonna go with the game plan here, and I'm just gonna buy, right? So let's see. I think I'm just gonna get in right here. 30-minute chart closes in 6 minutes. It's attempting to close green. If you guys want to wait for it to close green, you could wait for it to close green. But yeah, I'm probably gonna get in here very, very soon. Um, let's see. Let's take a look at the 1-minute chart. Yeah, so I'm gonna get in here. Let's see. All right, so I'm in. I'm in on 741 calls. 741 calls. Let's see, what entry did I get in at? 741 calls, 741 calls. And the entry is 192. 192. So I am in on SPY calls, 192 cents, 741 calls, bought them right there. They're already green in the money. Just gonna hold that, man. Just gonna hold these calls, bro. Just gonna hold these calls. Fuck it. You know? It's either gonna be a bullish fucking trend day or it's gonna fly off a cliff. We'll see. We'll see, man. You know? It's like, bro, this is fucking genius. What I'm looking at here is fucking genius. That's exactly what the fuck I'm looking at. Worst case scenario, we have 1L. Best case scenario, we have a fuck ton of W's. So we'll see. We'll see how this shit reacts. It's gonna be amazing, man. Today's gonna be an amazing day. Um, you guys should be starting light. You should not be going in extremely fucking heavy right now. Start light. If it flips bullish, scale in. If you want to take a normal size, take a normal size, dude. The risk is like 738, 739. So risking like a 2-point drop on this. But yeah, man, we'll see. I'm holding the trade. 30-minute chart. It's still green. That's good. But yeah, man, that's, sometimes you just gotta say fuck it and just get in. Worst case scenario, it gets new lows. I cut the trade. Best case scenario, it goes all the way up to the top. So we'll see. It's worth the risk, regardless, but we'll see how this reacts here. But yeah, man, 741 calls. You know. Do 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 do. But yeah, we'll see. This is literally, it's like, bro, this shit needs to bounce, or we're gonna have to cut that trade. So, time is of the essence. Time is of the essence. This is literally time is of the essence. 100%. But yeah, we'll see. The most important thing is spike on the 30-minute open here. We need to start bouncing around this level. And then the trade has high probability of working. Max pain is gonna be like 738.50, right around there. So yeah, we'll see. You know. Mm-mm-mm. All right, guys, this is it, man. This is it. It's now or fucking never. This is it. This shit literally just collapsed $1.50. It's now or never. It has to fucking start to bounce or max pain is around 738. So we'll see, you know? This shit has got to start rocketing the fuck up or we're just gonna have to cut the trade within some time. So yeah, man, this is make or break. 30-minute candle is closing green, which is good. So we'll see. Yeah. How this shit wants to react. Whatever the fuck this shit wants to do. Um, so yeah. Max pain is, 738, right around there. So we'll see. All right, this is very important, guys. This is a very important, level. This is a very important reaction here. We'll see what it wants to do. This is gonna be very important. So yeah, we'll see. It's gonna be very, very important here to see how this reacts, bro. We got a massive gap down. The daily chart is currently green. We're at the best support levels possible. There's a gap to fill. So we'll see how this reacts here, man. If it doesn't work out, we'll cut it. Max pain is around 738. So yeah. But yeah, man, I'm in on calls, dude. I bought my calls right here. I'm in on these motherfucking calls, you know? So we'll see how this reacts here. This is a very strong break and retest level. So we'll see. We just bounced off the level. This is another break and retest level. So to flip bullish, we gotta hold here and we gotta break out here. If we start breaking out here, confidence should be at all-time highs, and we should consider adding to the trade if it can do that. If it just drops right back down, that's not a good sign. But we'll see, guys. The 30-minute chart here, it did close green and bullish. It opened up the best way possible, and there is a wick to hit at 743. So these are all good things. All the bulls have to do is just hold the levels and not fake out right here. That's all they have to do. If they can do that, they're gonna look good. If not, it's gonna get new lows and it's gonna start to flip. So this is everything, man. This reaction right here is fucking everything. This is literally the most important time for the Bulls. It does not get more important than this in terms of reversals for the Bulls. If they're gonna do it, they gotta do it like right fucking now, dude. There's no like they're running out of time. Like if they can't do it soon, you know, it's gonna be cutting and then either sitting out or just buying a put. That's about it. Like there's not a lot to do. They have to hold this and break out. It's as simple as that. They gotta hold this zone. This is the zone. Bro, shit is down right to the wire. This is the zone. The motherfuckers already rejected the zone. They gotta break out. That's what they gotta do. So this is it, man. This is fucking the Bulls here. This is it. They have to show up. If not, it's gonna be an L. And you know, so we'll see. This is literally it. This is make or break. Make or fucking break. The Bulls have gotta hold. If not, it's gonna start to fly off a cliff again. So yeah, man. This is getting down straight to the wire. right to the wire, guys. We're getting right to the wire on this overall trade. So we'll see. We will see how this reacts. You know, we shall see how this reacts. Gonna see how this reacts. Okay, Bulls are trying. They really are, guys. They're trying their absolute hardest. Um, they just need a breakout. That's all they need. They just need a, you know, they just need a breakout. That's about it. These motherfuckers need a breakout. That's all they need. 100%. But yeah, man, we'll see how this reacts, guys. It's getting intense. Time is running out. It's getting intense. You know, it's a very high intensity trade here. 100%. Very high intensity trade here. We are literally right down to the fucking wire. You know, we're in on 741 calls at 100 and 192 cents. It has to hold this price to start to work. So we'll see. You know, the Bulls are holding, which is good. They need to break out. They definitely need to do that. But man, we'll see, man. The game plan did say if SPY gaps down, focus on buying. That's what the game plan said. So I'm following the instructions. I'm simply following the instructions of the game plan. It said if the market gaps down, to buy the dips. That's what the game plan said, you know? So I'm simply just following the game plan and we'll see, we'll see how this. I mean, technically it already worked. We had a big morning spike, 739 to 743. So technically the game plan to an extent already worked out. But we'll see, you know. We're in on calls for the second break and retest, which is gonna help determine if this is gonna reverse or not. You know, this right here was a resistance level. This was the breakout. This was the retest, break and retest, right? So, we're using the game plan. This is obviously a break and retest level. As you can see, pre-market resistance, break, retest, right? And then if you look at the 30-minute chart, we got all these red candles, right? And then we got a green trend reversal candle, and then we got a wick to hit at 742.50. So we had plenty of reasons for calls. We really do. These motherfuckers just have to start breaking this out, and it's gonna run like fucking crazy. So yeah, man, we're in on these calls, bro. We're in on these calls. If it starts breaking out, you guys can add to this shit. It's gonna fucking go to 742.50 within the blink of the eye. If this shit starts breaking out, I don't think it's gonna be a fake out. But that's good. The Bulls held their ground. Now they just need a breakout. You know, this is a good time to trade during the day. So usually it just breaks out. We've noticed with the middle of the day, for whatever reason, it just never breaks out. It just fucking crashes and hits the level 50 times. But whenever I do this during, early in the day, it tends to break out. So we'll see how that reacts. You guys, I'm telling you, watch every stream during the middle of the day. This same shit happens, it collapses. And then when I do this in the morning, it works every fucking time. So we'll see how this reacts, man. This is literally make or break. We're right back towards our entry here on 741 calls. Like I said, if it starts breaking out, you guys can add if you want to add to the trade. We'll see, man. This is gonna be high fucking intensity, fucking trading here. A massive move is getting ready to set up. It's either gonna collapse and get new lows, or it's gonna break out and get new highs. So this is gonna be insane, man. A big move is setting up here. A massive move is setting up here, So we'll see how this reacts. It's gonna be fucking ridiculous. Of what the fuck. Ooh, that looks bullish. I like what I'm seeing there. That looks very bullish. That looks super fucking bullish right there. That's good. I like that. But we need to break out or this shit's gonna fly off a fucking cliff in a heartbeat. So if they can just start to do that, that would be amazing. If they could just, push the price a little higher here, yeah, that would be amazing. That would genuinely be like, that would make my day if it can just, start to go up instead of fly off another fucking cliff. That would really just make my day here. So yeah, man, we'll see how this reacts. Market's just sitting here a little digging right now. The fuck, like, bro, break the fuck out. Bro, this better break out. This better break out. Bro, break this fucking shit out. That's bullish as fuck, man. Break this out. Break this fucking shit out, man. Oh my gosh. These motherfuckers, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, they really want to go to war with me? Oh my goodness, dude. Oh my goodness. Guys, we're gonna go to war today. Fuck them. We're going to fucking war, dude. What do they want me to do? They want me to buy a fucking put today? These motherfuckers, bro. We're going to war. We're going to war today. Today's fucking war day. Bro, fuck them. Nah, fuck them. We're going to fucking war. Alright, so today it's gonna be fucking war. We're going to war, and that's what it's gonna be. 100%. Alright, so, motherfuckers. Oh my gosh, bro. Why couldn't they just spike that? Motherfuckers. Oh my gosh, bro. Am I really about to consider puts? Like, fucking. Man, I'm really out here trying as a bull. They've just been struggling today, bro. It has not been their day. Bro, I might have to cut this trade here soon. I might have to cut this shit and switch to fucking puts. I might have to join the put side for once in my life. I might have to buy a put. Like, there's just no way around this, guys. There's no escaping. There really is. There's no way around this. They cracked the level, so I either gotta cut this soon or just I can always buy a put. I can do that too. Oh, okay, there's hope. There's fucking hope, bro. Dude, they showed up at the fucking, oh man. No, okay, guys, I'm gonna get ready to make a move here. Cause dude, I know how fast this shit can drop. Look at how quickly this shit just dropped. So let's see, man. Um, hopefully that shit can go back up. Hopefully it could. That would be nice. Because this is the most degenerate market I've ever fucking seen right now. But yeah, that shit would be nice, If it can just break out here, that would be nice. That'd be nice. But guys, I'm getting ready to make a move here, bro. If they can't break this shit out, I'm gonna have to cut my L. And bro, I might even do a put today. I'm like, if today's gonna be the one day where I'm gonna do a put, I might as well do it at the lowest support level possible at the bottom of the channel. Like, why the fuck not? So, yeah, today's gonna be an interesting day. It really is. I'm excited to see how this day unfolds. It's gonna be interesting for sure. We're still in on calls. This somehow spiked again. But bro, they are fucking this shit up and down so fucking ridiculously right now. But this is literally the best level. It does not get better than this level. If they can just spike this up, the Bulls will have a shot. If not, dude, I'm gonna have to consider some puts, I really am. Today might have to be the day where I get in on the puts. It might happen. Today could be the day. It really might be the day. We'll see. I mean, these motherfuckers, they're taking their sweet time to bounce this, They really are. Like, fucking. They're not making it fun for the Bulls, that's for sure. Every spike is getting shorted. They need to, like, just break this shit out right here. That's what they need to do. They need to hold this shit and break this shit out. They need to bring the calls back to life. Make calls great again. That's what they need to do. They need to make the calls great again. If they can do that, that would be fucking amazing. If they can do that. Like, bro, come on. We're so fucking close. We are so fucking close. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. We are so fucking close. Is this gonna be it? Did we do it? Did we finally do it? Oh my goodness. Bro, they better not fake this out at this break and retest level right here. They better not fucking break. I mean, they better not crash this. They better not fucking crash this at this break and retest level. Dude, if they crash it there, oh my gosh. Bro, if they crash it there, man, these motherfuckers are really on some fuck shit, a fucking bear shit. They crash it there. This shit just needs to break the fuck out already. Like, bro, we're in calls. We're not in puts. The market is supposed to go up. The fuck is it doing? Just go up already, man. This is a good time of day to be trading. Just break the fuck out. Do what you're supposed to do. Just go up. Just break the fuck out. There we go. Keep going. Come on, bro. We're pushing calls over here. Just break the fuck out. I want to see the gains. I really do. I want to see the gains. You know? I want to see the gains. This fucking bro, these motherfuckers, bro. They better break this shit out. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me? Bro. All right, guys, look. This is obviously bullish, right? 100%. This is bullish. 100% bullish there. There's nothing bearish about that whatsoever. This is obviously like bullish as fuck right now. So yeah, man, I'm just holding these calls because, the market's bullish. It looks like picture perfect bullish reversal breakout. It looks crystal clear. To me, that looks like, it looks like we got some W's coming. Looks bullish as fuck, right? Everything looks so bullish. It's the most bullish market to be in. Guys, this is the best bullish market on the planet. Everything looks bullish right now. It really does. Bro, if they cannot fucking spike this shit, bro, they need to spike this shit here. This is so important, man. Like, hurry the fuck up. If these motherfuckers don't hurry up, I'm gonna buy a put. Like, fuck it. If they can't hurry up, I'm buying a fucking put, dude. Like, these motherfuckers already went below the 739. That's not good. So, they need to hurry the fuck up, or I'm buying fucking puts. It's as simple as that. You know? If they can't get their shit together here, um, you know, they need to hurry the fuck up. Like fucks like oh my gosh, bro. These motherfuckers, bro. It's fucking degenerates. These are the most fucking degenerate fucking chart I've ever fucking seen in history. Look at this. The fuck, bro. The fucking oh my goodness, bro. Bro, this shit's gonna break out, alright? Fuck the Bears. The Bears can get fucked. It's gonna break out. Like, fuck them. Most degenerate fucking. What the fuck, bro? We're at the best fucking level. But fucking do something. Oh my gosh, man. The fuck? This is fucking ridiculous. Man. Oh my gosh, bro. Am I just gonna fucking. Oh man, guys. We're getting down to the wire here, man. We really are. You know? Like, the patience is running out. This shit needs to spike, or I'm getting some fucking puts. Like fuck that. I'm not missing out on this move. This is gonna be a big fucking move. There's no way in fucks that I'm missing out on this. Bro, just fucking do something. Holy shit, man. What the fuck? Dude, they are fucking around. This has been going on since fucking, bro, 30 minutes? The fuck? Like, oh my gosh, this market's fucking cooked right now. Fucking trash, man. What the fuck? Dude, just break the fuck out. Jeez, man. It's fucking trash, fucking. Bro, it's gonna break out. Alright? We're gonna have to be patient. It's gonna break out. Everything's gonna, bro, that's 742. 742, 100%. This wants to go to 742. 100%. This wants to go to 742. That's bullish. That wants to go to 742. The trend is trying to reverse. Bro, that has to be bullish. That has to be fucking bullish. Like, how the fuck is that bearish right there? That shit looks bullish. Oh my gosh, bro. This is like, man, what the fuck happened to the market for real? Man, what the fuck is actually like, it hit the best level and it just died. Fuck. Like, this is crazy, man. I mean, a 15-minute chart, that looks bullish as fuck. The 10-minute chart, that looks bullish, trend reversal. Bro, everything looks fucking bullish. The 5-minute chart looks a little fucked up there, but that has bullish signals. Bro, this shit, they're taking their time, but this should go to 742. It should. It should go to 742. Like, they're taking their time, but bro, like, fucking, I'm about to make another trade here, dude. Like, I might make a second trade here. If this shit starts picking up, I might buy futures too. Like, fuck it. Like, what the fuck are they doing? Like, break the shit out already. Bro, I've seen enough, man. I'm getting ready to make a second trade here. So let's see, man. I might make a second trade here. Um, you know, because this shit is on the verge of breaking out. I know this one's 742. If it can just start to look bullish here, I'm probably gonna make another trade. Um, if anyone wanted to YOLO, they can do 742 calls. So, you know, I'm already in on 741 calls. I'm in at 192. They're at 152. Bro, if this can just start the bounce here, I think I'm gonna make a second trade. Like, fucking man, what a fucking. Oh my gosh, bro. Fucking degenerate fucking. Oh man. This market right now is fucking fried. Bro, oh my gosh, bro, this is so fucking degenerate. Oh man, bro. Oh my gosh, man. Guys, I'm risking new lows max on this, so that's gonna be like a 60% L on the options trade if this gets new lows. But yeah, man, that's my risk, and then I might just do a put. I might just say fuck it and do a put, you know? Because this is fucking bullshit. This shit right here. Like, oh my goodness, man. I'm surprised it didn't hit 742 again. And I've actually found that quite shocking. I really did. Like, that should have went, it went to 741. It should have went to 742. Like, that's some fucking bullshit. It really is. That's some fuck shit. Um, we got 10 minutes left, man. 10 minutes left. Basically, in 10 minutes, there's going to be another trade, I think. That's what I will say. In 10 minutes, there's going to be another trade. The first trade right now is a little fucked. I think next 10 minutes, we're going to get a very good trade. So I think in 10 minutes, we're going to get a very good one. Fuck, that looks fucking like shit. That does not look good. Oh my gosh, bro. Dude, if we get a red, green, red, I'm smacking fucking puts. Like, fuck that. If this shit closes red, I'm gonna smack puts. I gotta wait until that shit closes. If not, we're just gonna keep on holding calls, and if it breaks out, we'll look for another trade to buy. So we got 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes until this can actually be normal again. It should be a fuck ton more normal after 11. This fucking right now, it's going full fucking Deegan at this level. It really is. This is the most indecisive level that I've seen on the fucking planet. This shit is ridiculous. Bro, send this shit to 742. Like, all it's doing is fucking around. Like, we don't have time for this shit. Like, show your true fucking colors. I've had enough of this bullshit. Like, fucking. Guys, we just need to get to 11 a.m. Excuse me, 10:30 a.m. I meant 10:30, not 11. 10:30 a.m. We just need to get to 10:30 a.m. 30-minute candle will close. If it closes green, it should go up. If it closes red, it should go down. And there's going to be another trade. And it should be a fuck ton better than this fucking bullshit. So another trade here is coming up. Everybody needs to get locked in. I'm telling you, within the blink of the eye, this can go to 742. It really could if it could just stop fucking around. Um, but yeah, man, we got two 30-minute candles that are green. It has not closed yet. So, you guys know how that goes. But I've been in a situation like this before, and I specifically remembered it spiked. 100%. It definitely did spike. So if it can just do that again, we should be good on the trade. It should work out. But bro, SPY is on some maximum fuck shit. Once it starts going up, it's just gonna keep on going up. All right, bro, fuck it. I'm gonna have to, dude, I'm gonna have to make the future straight here. Fuck it. Bro, I think I'm just gonna get in here. Guys, if you're looking for the best confirmation, wait until 10:30, dude. I've seen enough. I'm getting to the point where like fuck it. I'm just about to get in. The one thing I know is once it starts to go up, it's gonna keep on going up, just like it did at market open. I do know that. So let's see. If it starts to go up here, I'm just gonna say fuck it and get in. Obviously, it could be too early and it could fake out. So if you guys wanna wait until 10:30, dude. But fuck, if this shit starts ramping up, I might just say fuck it and get in. We'll see. Um, you know, this fucking I'm telling you, man, once this picks up, it's gonna break out. It just needs to start picking up. Like, we're literally, it's down to the fucking wire. Like, oh my gosh, bro. We're literally down straight to the fucking wire here. Like, this is absurd. This is fucking ridiculous, bro. It's like, it looks good, it looks shit, it looks good, it looks shit. It's like, bro, we need a bounce here. For this shit to start popping, we need a bounce. Oh my gosh, bro. This is fucking ridiculous. Oh man. Well, if they close this shit red, I'm cutting the L. That does not look good. That looks fucking horrible. Oh my goodness. I might as well just cut this shit now. That looks fucking. Oh, looks fucking. That does not look good. That looks like fucking trash. Bro, if the 30 closes red, we're joining the Bears. That's exactly what the fuck I'm doing. Like, this is so fucking degenerate, bro. I might as well just cut this shit here. Bro, I'm getting ready to cut this shit and just join the fucking Bears at this point. There's 6 minutes left, man. 6 minutes. The next trade is supposed to be a fuck ton better than this fucking bullshit. So everybody needs to get ready because this next trade should flip us green on the day. 100%. We'll see. Um, but yeah, man, the market has gone full fucking Deegan mode. It is unfortunate to see. But better trades will come, especially after this. Better trades are definitely going to be coming. So, yeah, you know, we'll see. We'll see how this reacts here, you know? A massive trade is getting ready to set up. We will see how this reacts. Down straight to the wire, bro. It does not get more Deegan than the chart you are looking at. This is maximum Deegan. It's like the one time I trade a little bit earlier, it goes full fucking Deegan. Of course it does, right? That's just the market. Fucking. But nah, bro, this shit did spike it open. The game plan did work. The market did spike directly at the open. The game plan literally said just jump the fuck in if it gaps down. So the game plan worked. In terms of it continuing to work, it's currently not working. It stopped working after that big spike. Now it's just trying to drop. But we'll see, man. We got 4 minutes here. We'll see how this reacts. You know, this is either gonna be the exact lows or the market's just gonna fly off a fucking cliff today. So it's gonna be interesting. I'm looking forward to it. I really am. I'm looking forward to this. It's gonna be an interesting day. Everything looks bearish as fuck. Nothing looks bullish right now with the 30-minute chart. All right, bro. I've seen enough, bro. I'm getting ready to exit and buy a put. You know, the Bulls, they're a bunch of fuck ups today, so fuck them. But yeah, man, I've seen enough. We'll give this like a minute or two here, and we'll make another trade, and we'll get green on the day. So I'm looking forward to that, because everybody likes to be green. So yeah, we'll see. You know, shit should be getting good here soon. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to make a move here. All right, we'll give this like 2 minutes, guys. We'll give this about 2 minutes here. I'm getting ready to make a move here. Big moves coming up. Give this about 2 minutes here. And see what fuck shit it wants to pull here. All right, guys, I'm exiting my calls. I'm out of calls. Exited my calls. All right, I'm out of SPY calls. I'm out of SPY calls. I took the L here. First trade on the day is red. I did not take a big size on that. I started accordingly. Let's see. So yeah, I'm out of the fucking calls. I'm out of 741 calls, 107 cents. I'm out of the position. Sold at 107. In at 192. So the next trade is gonna be a W. 100%. 100% fucking next trade's gonna be a W. So I cut that at 107 cents, and now the next trade is gonna be a fucking dub. So let's see, 30-minute candle closes in 2 minutes. Da-di-da-di-da. All right, so let's see. All right, so the question is, are we about to short the market? We are at the absolute best levels to be buying. Are we about to short the market? That's what the question is. Because we know if it goes below 739, it's gonna fucking flash crash. We know that. So we're gonna give this a couple minutes here and decide. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give this a couple minutes and decide what we want to do. We're either gonna short it or do nothing. This whole idea of buying, that is completely out of the window. It worked in the morning and then it stopped working. Obviously, it can spike right back up to 742 and then collapse again. But this whole idea of buying, it's out the fucking window. The 30-minute chart has closed red, green. Oh my gosh, now it's flipping green again. Bro, this motherfuckers, dude. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Are you fucking, oh my gosh, bro. This market is like, dude, one little mistake, it flips the whole trajectory of everything. This shit literally just, bro, these motherfuckers, man. If I would have just waited fucking 2 fucking minutes and wow, now I can't even do puts. Bro, the market is cooked. This market is fucked. It's 100% cooked. We are in the most cooked, degenerate market I've ever fucking seen. Bro, if I would have just waited fucking 2 minutes, I would still be in on this trade. Well, there's no reasons for puts. The calls aren't looking the greatest. So everything's fucked, guys. That's what I would say right now. I would say if you want to make a move, everything is fucked right now. It really is. This is like, my fucking gosh. I've never seen such a fucked, like, this shit is fucking every way. Fucking, oh my gosh, bro. Literally everything is fucking chopped. Oh man, this is so fucking degenerate, dude. What the fuck? This is the most degenerate shit I've ever fucking seen at the market open. Bro, this is full fucking Deegan. Oh my gosh, those fucking bulls are coming in again. Those motherfuckers do not stop. Holy shit. Those motherfuckers do not fuck around. Bro, this is so fucking degenerate. This is the most degenerate market I've ever fucking seen. Now it's bullish. Bro, fuck it. Fuck it. I might make a trade, bro. Fuck this shit. I might make a trade here. Bro, this is the most degenerate price action I've seen in fucking history. What the fuck? Oh my goodness, dude. What the fuck? This is so fucking oh my goodness, bro. What the fuck? Bro, guys, the market here, it's fucking cooked. Bro, if you guys are in the market, say goodbye to all of your fucking money. It is cooked. It is 100% cooked. The market here is a full fucking degenerate cooked. Never seen anything, bro. This shit is on another level of fuckery. It really is. Like, my gosh. This is like, bro, it does not get more fuck shit than what I'm looking at now. Oh my goodness. The market is cooked. 100% fried. Bro, the price action is so shit. We might as well just short the market. Maybe that's the right way to look at it. The price action is shit. The market's trash. It's sitting at the lows. Maybe the move is just to short it. Like maybe that's the right way to look at this. If the market's so trash, why not just short it? Like maybe that's the solution. Guys, I'm starting to get a little convinced that the solution could be if the market's trash, we should just go short. Why the fuck not? Like if it's gonna be this fucking shit, you know? Like, bro, look at this fucking man. The market is literally cooked. I've never seen it this cooked before this early. This is like fucking wow. This is like insane, man. This is like full fucking Deegan. This is like some crazy shit. It literally goes to the best level to short the market, and then it just fucking dies. It doesn't do any fucking bro. Imagine being a bear and just like shorting this. Like, oh my gosh, I'd be pissed off. I'd be like, those motherfuckers. Like, I'd be fucking pissed. Man, this is insane, man. Like, when the fuck are they gonna take this shit? Like, oh my gosh, bro, what the fuck? This is fucking cooked, man. I really do want to buy a put, but man, I don't want it to fucking flip on me like that and go to 742. This is such a fucking the market's cooked. This shit is fried, guys. Absolutely cooked market, L market, fucking trash market. Bro, I should just hold puts and just call it for the rest of the day. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should just say, you know what? I'm gonna hold a put for the entire day and just walk away. Maybe that's the best thing to do today. That might be it. It really might be. That might be the best move. The best course of action could just be to buy and hold a put. Let me see. What does the chat say? Let me see. Is the chat bearish? Are they bullish? Guys, what is your moves? Are you guys holding puts? What are you guys doing? You're holding puts? What's the game plan, man? At this point, I'm getting ready to hold a put, dude. If these motherfuckers can't, it's just so man, I'm disappointed, man. Like, below 739, I was expecting a big crash. I know it's gonna take time, but motherfuckers, like this shit bounced like 20 times already. I'm very disappointed in what I'm seeing here. Like this is not generous at all. It's not generous for the Bulls, it's not generous for the This is a big disappointment. Fucking man, this is insane, man. There's so much downside potential, but like where is it? Where did it all go? It's just sitting. If it can start to pick up, man, I might want to jump into a put. But man, this does look a little concerning too because the shit just goes right back to 742. Bro, honestly, guys, I think the mission that I'm on is just to hold a put. I think that's the mission that I'm going on today. It looks like it's gonna be one hell of a ride, and it could go to 742, which fucking sucks. That I could buy put here. This could be the exact lows. It really could be, but bro, I'm on a mission, man, and I think I'm gonna have to start to go on that mission. So fuck it. Like I'm gonna have to probably try to do a put. This could be the exact lows. It can go to 742, but bro, like fuck it. Like guys, life's too short. We only go below 739 once, you know? Like this shit, like this is we're at some absurd levels, you know? So the game plan did say to short the market below 739. Within the blink of an eye, this could go to 742. But bro, I'm getting to that point where it's like, fuck it. I might just have to get in on a put. Like you know what I mean? Like I really might just have to get in on a put here. Um, all right, so let's see. Oh my gosh, bro. Guys, I'm about to join the dark side, man. You know it's dark times when I'm buying fucking puts, bro. And these puts they can literally get evaporated at the speed of light. But if I hold them, they can come back to life. So I will say that if I hold them, they could come back to life. They can also, if the timing is off here, they can get evaporated like 70%, just like the calls did. So guys, in a situation like this, if you're gonna trade this, the only way is to hold, dude. Unless you time it perfectly. Like this is fucked. The price action is cooked. So if we don't time a trade perfectly, it's going to evaporate 50%. If you hold it, it can be a massive win. That's all I can really say, man. So you either time it perfectly, you get a 50% W right away, or you hold it, it could drop 50%, and then it can go up 150% plus. That's the market that we're in right now. Bro, I'm still not in on puts. I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see. Oh my gosh, dude. What a disappointing market. Like this is, man, disappointing L market. It really is. Like, oh my gosh, bro, if I was a bear, I would be fucking furious. I'd be like, oh my gosh, these motherfuck it literally went under the fucking bro. L market, man. That's all I can say, man. L market. Trash L market, L day, fucking oh my gosh, bro. Fucking dude, what the fuck? Like L fucking market, man. It literally went below it too. Like what the fuck? This was like the level was right here. 739.50. This was the level. Bro. Man, to be a bear really does suck. And to be a bull sucks too. They're not having it fucking easy right now. Today's fucking trash. This is some bullshit, you know? I tried it once. I said, bro, this is shit. Now I'm just like, man, I'm really questioning some shit right now. I'm just watching this shit. I'm waiting to get in, but I'm like, fuck, everything is so trash. Like, fucking, man. This is, I mean, we are at a crazy level, so it does make sense to react a little bit degenerate first. We're at a very volatile time, but I was expecting better than this. This is like really some bullshit. And this is a big disappointment. 100%. Like, bro, I turned on my stream early for this. Are you fucking kidding me? Like, the fuck? Like, man, I showed up early for this. Fucking, oh my goodness, bro. Fucking. Bro, we might say fuck it and just make another trade here soon. Like for reals, man. If this shit breaks out, I might just buy futures and say fuck it. Like, why the fuck not? All right, guys. If this shit goes up, I'm finally just gonna go long and say fuck it and fuck the Bears and ride this shit up. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, so guys, I'm getting ready to make a trade here. Let's see. All right, so I'm making a trade here. Gonna do calls. We're going with calls. 740 calls. 740 calls. I'm in. I'm in at 207 cents, bro. Fuck it. Life's too fucking short. Life's too short to not buy calls at the fucking resistance, right? So I'm in on calls, man. We'll see what the fuck this shit can do. But yeah, I'm in on fucking SPY calls. 740 calls. I bought right there, bro. We'll see. We will see, man. I'm looking for a breakout. I'm looking for the breakout. Bro, if this is a fake out, then GG's. Fuck the market. If this is a fake out, if this is an actual fake out. But bro, I'm telling you, this shit should run. I'm in on calls. The Bears, they can go fuck themselves. I think they got trapped. I'm calling it for how it is. I think they got trapped. I tried this once earlier right here. It was a fake out. It faked 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 out. Well, I'm showing up again. I'm showing up again. This can just collapse or it can fucking, spike. But bro, I'm calling their bluff. I think that this is gonna break out, So I bought calls because this shit looks bullish as fuck, you know? We'll see. We shall see, man. We'll see. Today has been the most horrific day to be trading at the worst levels. Meaning if you're buying fucking calls at resistance, you're getting clapped. If you're buying puts at support, you're getting clapped. So obviously, this is definitely on the Deegan side of things. But yeah, I said fuck it. I said fuck it, and I bought a call. So we'll see, man. That's what it took. It took that. I needed to see some shit I wanted to see, and I got in on the trade. So yeah, we'll see, man. This is the second trade of the day. Um, we'll see how this reacts here. Oh my gosh, bro, this market is fucking trash, dude. Man, I am just lighting. Wow, this is a good way to light money on fire. This is crazy, man. As soon as I get in, this is fucking, man, this market right now is on some fuck shit. Nothing works. It just, wow, this really does. Oh my gosh, W options, man. W to K, W options. Like, man, today is the day to fucking take some L's for sure. What the fuck is going on? This is crazy, dude. This is fucking crazy. Damn, bro. What the fuck? I'm disappointed, man. That shit looked like it wanted to go up another dollar. That's disappointing too. Bro, guys, the market has lost its fucking mind, dude. GG's. Fucking, oh my gosh. Another fucking. Damn, bro. What the fuck? Am I seriously about to cut this out here too? Fucking. Bro, fuck it. I'm getting out. Sold. 140 cents. Oh my gosh, guys. 207 to 140. Another fucking L. Dude, that's my second L of the day. Oh my goodness. Bro, two fucking L's? What the fuck is going on, man? Two fucking L's. We did the same shit we did before. We bought the breakout, it instantly crashed. Oh my goodness, bro. Two fucking L's. Dude, what we just did is a quick way to light money on fire. We bought an option at the breakout and it just faked out and decayed. Wow. This is like, oh my goodness, bro. This is absurd. What the fuck happened to fucking the market, man? Somebody just took the life out of the fucking market. Because this is some fuck shit. Bro, should we buy the put now? Should we buy it now? Guys, what do you think? Should we buy the put now? Is now the time to buy the puts? Oh my gosh, bro. We should just buy the puts. Bro, the market is fucking cooked. This is the most degenerate market I've seen in history. I've never seen some shit like this. Look, bro, they finally fucked it. This is crazy. They finally did it. Man, these motherfuckers, they finally fucked the market at the best time to trade. You know, I didn't think they can do it, but they've proved me wrong. They fucked this at the best time to trade. The whole market is just shopping and fucking everyone. And they did it at the best time to trade. Man, what a fucking disappointment. Oh my goodness, bro. It's like if you guys buy a breakout, the shit goes straight back down. It's insane, bro. It's fucking insane, man. I got two L's on the day. I think I got one more trade left in me, and then after that, I'm fucking done. So, bro, the next trade, we're gonna have to hold it. That's the only way, bro. We're just gonna have to hold it. We make one more trade, we're gonna have to hold that shit. The market is cooked. It's fried. I tried to dip my toes in another time. It didn't work. So yeah, this shit is ridiculous, man. We get in, it just fucking collapses every time. Fucking the shit drops, it spikes. Like, man, the market, guys, it's absolutely cooked. You know, guys, look, the only thing in a situation we can do when something like this happens is just say fuck it and buy puts. But man, I really don't like the idea of puts because this can go to 742 easily. So basically, the market's cooked. It really is. The shit's really fucking cooked. Like, it's making it hard to go to short because this could go lower within time, but bro, it's like it wants to go to 742 as well. So it's fucking. Bro, this is degenerate. This is a big disappointment. I actually do want to take a short, but I'm not because it can easily go to 742. Like, so the market's just fucked. It really is. This is a fucked market. It's like all someone could really do is just buy the dips and then short the spikes. That's about it right now. Like everything else is fucking cooked. So L market, trash market, bro, fucking they cooked this shit to the maximum fucking level of fucking cooked. So today has just been a very shitty day to be trading. It really has. I buy a call, it collapsed. Buy a call, it collapsed. Like, there's no time, it just drops and then we cut the trade. Like it's a fucking today's an L day, dude. It's such a disappointing day because I really would like to buy a put, but I think it can spike to 742 and every spike is getting shorted and the put level is just holding. So I'm sitting here saying, bro, the market is on some maximum fuck shit. Literally, the only way to make money now is to buy the dips and buy puts at the spikes. But it's just so cooked. It really is. Like the market has lost its fucking it's lost its shit, man. It really has. This is so fucking like, bro. Man, look at futures, dude. Futures was fucking amazing for the Bears. Market open was amazing for the Bulls, and then this shit just died. Like fucking the Bulls here, they really could. I believe they can take this to 742. I really do. I think it can happen. But bro, oh my goodness, man. What a disappointment, man. We didn't even have the fucking, oh man. Very disappointing fucking day. What a fucking disappointing day, bro. This shit, like, bro, I'm very tempted to just go long and say fuck it. But man, this price action is just disappointing, bro. It really is. So guys, everything is fucked. I think if people are trading this, they're probably getting cooked. This has not been easy. It's been a shit show of a fucking. It's like, bro, this was so clean right at the open, man. Fucking clean as fuck. Oh my gosh. But now, bro, the shit is fucking cooked. What the fuck? Bro, look at how shit. Oh man, that is like maximum fuckery, bro. They turned the market open into the middle of the day. They really did it. Those motherfuckers, they finally did it. We had a big spike, big crash, and then the market just fucking died. Man, what a fucking disappointment. That is fucking disgraceful, man. This market is fucking cooked. It really is. Like, oh my goodness, bro. On days like these, I'm telling you guys, you got to keep the L's light and you got to stop at 2 L's. You know, we can try one more trade. That's it, bro. Like this shit. And we're going to have to hold that shit. So size and lighter, like, bro, this is some fuck shit. It really is. I'm disappointed. I was expecting a much better day than this horse shit. Like, man, they finally decided to just fucking freeze the market. Like, bro, what the fuck, man? Did this shit get halted? What the fuck? Like, are you fucking kidding me? Like, man, they really did fuck the market up. It's so fucked because like it goes below the level and it looks bearish, and then this shit can just go straight to 742. I'm sitting here saying I'm gonna buy puts on that. It's one thing to short futures, so we're definitely probably gonna do futures if we're gonna make another trade. Options are getting fucking destroyed today. They really are. You know, I can see like if I go short, they take it to 742, I can hold it and then it can collapse. That's great. And that could happen, right? But to do an options trade with a 2 point instant spike against me, bro, I do not like, bro, I'm not gonna have a 80, 90% L come back to life. Like, bro, I could just do futures. Like the fuck. So guys, the market's lost its fucking mind. I'm at loss for words. I really am. The only thing I can say is, bro, look, if it were my choice, I would want them to crash it. I really would. But you know, the disappointing what's disappointing about shorting this market is it can just go to 742. That's what's disappointing. What's disappointing about buying is it's bearish levels. So bro, the market's cooked. It's in the absolute most cooked thing. Realistically, all you guys can do is just sell fucking futures, go short on futures, and just hold that shit. Unless you want to hold a trade that's going to drop on options 70% potentially. But bro, I might have to go short soon. I might have to just say fuck it and just go short. I'm going to try one more trade and just say fuck it and go short. So guys, this is it. I'm joining the Bears. You know, salute to the Bears. I'm going to join them today. All right, so I'm in on ES futures. I'm short, so I'm short on futures here. I'm selling futures. I'm in on ES. So here we go, guys. This is the third trade of the day. Third time's the charm. The game plan said below 739, we're going to short the market. It just dropped $1, so fuck it. I'm getting in. If it goes to 742, fuck it. You know? So I'm holding shorts. This is what I'm doing, man. I'm shorting at the lowest levels to be shorting at. I'm just getting in. The market's been spiking all fucking day. You know, so I signed up. I signed up for the mission. I'm on a mission, man. I'm on a mission to short the market. Today's the day where, you know, we're trying our best to crash the market. That's the number one goal of today. With this trade, we're gonna crash the market. I'm gonna try to hold it longer. So yeah, we'll see, man. This could be the exact lows, and it can go to 742. It really could. We'll see, but I'm short, guys. The Bulls, they can go fuck them, bro. Oh my gosh, this trade that I entered in is absolutely cooked. We are in some crazy fucking shit right now. This can just go straight to 742 with the way the market's been. It really could. That's the only thing I don't like about shorting is this could go to 742. That's the only thing I dislike about it. Other than that, I think the Bears are fucking genius other than that. You know, even if it does go to 742, it could still collapse. So fuck them, you know? We're in the trade. I've made up my mind. It's fucking short. We're going bearish. Full fucking bearish day. We're doing the complete opposite of what we normally do. We tried to do it in the morning. It didn't work. We switched to the fucking dark side. Now we're shorting the market. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're betting on the market to go down. Fuck it. The market can just fly off a cliff. It can go fuck itself. Um, you know? So it is what it is, guys. We're trading at the absolute lowest levels, the craziest levels to be buying puts and shorting. Also, the craziest levels to be holding calls if you're holding calls and the market's going below these levels. So, man, this is fucking insane, bro. I'm looking forward to it. You know, I hope this is a big W. Guys, I'm trying my best to use the game plan. I really am. The game plan said if it goes below 739, we're gonna short the fuck out of the market. It went below 739 multiple times. It had multiple spikes doing so. Now it's dropping lower. So, you know, we got a lot of time left in this day, and I'm gonna follow the game plan. The game plan said if the market goes below 739, there was no levels for calls. The game plan didn't even give a levels for calls below 739. It literally said get the fuck out of calls and just buy fucking puts. So I'm following the game plan. You know, I tried it early in the morning. It didn't work out on the scalps. Well, we're gonna hold this trade and we're gonna short the market. So we're shorting the market, guys. We joined the dark side. We're shorting the market. It is what it is, man. You know, today, the day has come. We're finally shorting the market. This could be the exact bottom, and it can go to 742, or this shit can fly off the fucking cliff. It really could. So, that's what we're doing. We're shorting the fucking market. You know, we're in the bear. We're all bearish. We're all shorting the market. Bro, today could be as degenerate as it goes to 742 and then it collapses. It can be, that would be, I would say, peak degenerate, you know? Hopefully, this was the high of day right here, 740.50. That would be nice because that would really cause the market to sell off. But if not, I would say 742 is the peak, the bottom is there, and then it flushes. So as you guys can see, this is a fucked up situation to be in because there's a lot more short-term upside than downside if it does bottom around here and then go to 742. So the market's cooked, guys. All you need to understand is if you're in a trade, you are in a trade that is potentially cooked, is what I would say. So if you guys are trading that, that's on you. You know, I will be participating in the cooked market. I've come to the conclusion that I'm going to participate in this, and we'll see, you know? So yeah. This is a peak fucking degenerate here in terms of the trades. It does not get more degenerate than what the fuck I'm seeing and experiencing. You know, every time we try a level, it just reverses. So it just reminds me of we're gonna take it lower and then we're gonna bring it to 742 and then we'll collapse it. Or we just fucking collapse. Bro, the most cooked day would be it goes to 742 and then it just drops. That would be the definition of cooked. It really would be. If it just bottoms here and goes to 742, like, bro, I'm sure someone out there is YOLOing calls here. I'm sure they're doing it 100%. There's got to be someone who's just YOLOing calls right now, thinking that this can go to 742. I can definitely see that. We can even hedge. You know, if we wanted to hedge, we can just buy a call right here, go far out of the money, hedge that shit, and just hold the futures trade. Bro, this is the market. It's peak degenerate, guys. This is like, bro, peak fucking degenerate. It does not get more degenerate than what it is that I'm seeing. Like, this shit can literally go to 742. That's the definition of fucking, like, degenerate, cooked, fried L market. Like, oh my goodness, bro. What the actual fuck did this shit turn into? It's like they flipped our entire world upside down and just cooked it. Like, fucking hell, man. Today, in the day trading shit, has not been so good. It really has not been, bro. It crashes, it spikes, it fucking dies. Oh my gosh, bro. Man, today is such a L fucking day, bro. You know? But we're in on puts. I mean, we're in on futures. I'm selling futures. I'm short on futures. We'll see how that goes. You know, if this shit holds here, they're gonna start to pump it again. Oh my gosh, bro. This is absurd. This is, man, a lot of people are going to lose money today. 100%, bro. I definitely see how people are going to take some L's today. Well, if this goes to 742, a lot of people in the market are going to lose money today. I'll say that. If this goes to 742, a lot of people's going to be taking L's, dude. The Bulls just took their L's. If this shit goes back to 742, the Bears are going to consider taking their L's, bro. This shit is flippity floppity fuck up. Like, oh my gosh, bro. This market is cooked. Oh man. The only way, guys, is to hold your trades. If you're not holding, stay the look. If you guys are not holding, YOLO a far out of money call right here. And then that's all I would say. Just YOLO a far out of money call here. That's the only thing to consider. Like the market is literally favoring a YOLO call than a put here. It really is. It's actually favoring a far out of the money YOLO call to 742 than a put here. That's what is actually favoring. Um, but yeah, man, the market's cooked. Today has been absolutely shit. They really did fuck some shit up today. Guys, the only like, man, it's like literally, oh my gosh, bro. This market is such a fucking L market, dude. This is fucking crazy, man. What the fuck happens in the market? Oh my goodness. Bro, this shit hit the best levels and just fucked everything up. Like, damn, this shit went up, down, zigzag, sideways. Oh my goodness, bro. Guys, the market has lost its fucking shit. It is in a place that is so fucked up. Dude, I'm at loss for words. I have nothing to say. You know, I'm shorting the market at the exact close. It can go to 742. Oh my fucking gosh, bro. These motherfuckers are trying to send this shit up again. Oh my goodness, dude. Today is just one of those days, man. I'm telling you guys, people are gonna lose money today, 100%. You know? Bro, just make sure you guys are holding your trades. That's all I can say. If you guys want to do a YOLO and buy calls, this is a good price to do it. With how the market's being. If you want to do that or hedge, you can hedge here. But bro, make sure you guys are holding your trades. That's all I can say. Hold your trades, size down, and add to winners. Like, bro, this market is fucking cooked. Today is not the day to be scalping. You're either holding shorts here, or you're YOLOing a call here, or you're doing both. That's it. There is no, like, guys, if you're looking for a day to hold, this is it. This is the day. This is the day to hold. We are not fucking, bro. We are not fucking scalping today. Fuck that. We are not looking to scalp, you know? We are looking to hold this motherfucking shit. That is the only fucking way today, dude. Those scalps got fucked. I have never seen some shit drop 40% that quick. Like, damn, they really did get fucked. But we're holding the trade and we're trying our best, man. We're working with whatever the fuck this bullshit is. Like, oh my goodness, man. This market is fucking cooked into the fucking stratosphere. But we're trying, man. We really are trying. Oh my goodness. All right, so guys, look. The market, the 30-minute candle just opened up, so there is some good news. The good news is we got a red, green, green, red. Very good for shorts. For those of you who are shorting this, we got 2 hours of resistance, new lows, red, green, green, red. The bears are looking hot as fuck right now on a 30-minute chart. As you can see, there's no fucking support. There's no support. So hopefully the bulls are going to be on live support today. There's no support, guys. There's literally, bro, there's no, look at this. Bro, look at this. This is 740. This is all the fuck shit. And then look, there's no fucking support, dude. The market is fucking cooked. This shit should just flash crash. If this doesn't flash crash, then bro, the market is just not a generous fucking place to be trading right now. It's just an L fucking market. This should be able to fly off a cliff into the depths of oblivion. It really, at this point, with the shit that I'm seeing, we should be good. 100%. We should be good here. So, hopefully the Bears can wake the fuck up and start fucking printing here because, dude, the fuck else am I trading this shit for? The fuck? Like, fucking fly off a fucking cliff already. But yeah, guys, it's either gonna fly off a cliff or this is gonna be the lows and it'll go to 742. So if you want to hedge, you guys can hedge, bro. Like fucking this market is cooked. Oh my gosh, bro. They're doing it again. Oh my fucking gosh. Dude, this is such an L market. Fucking, oh my gosh, bro. This is such an L market. It really is. This is such an L market. L fucking market, bro. But yeah, man. We're in on these puts. It should collapse. We're trying our absolute best here to work with this fucking bullshit. So yeah, bro, fuck it. I'm gonna add to the trade. I'm adding to the win. All right, let me add here. All right, bro, I'm gonna add here. All right. Okay, so I just added there. All right, so we just added to the trade, guys. We're adding to the winners. So we just added right there. So we just added literally right there. So we're just gonna hold this shit and yeah, let's see. Let's see, man. Let's see. We'll see how this reacts. I added to the winners. So yeah, we'll see how this wants to go. How this wants to go down here. We'll see. Fucking most degenerate fucking shit I've ever fucking seen in the history of market. Like, oh my goodness, bro. I'm really out here trying my absolute best. Like, this shit needs to start working. Fucking everything is fucking cooked. Um, so yeah, this shit is what it is, man. This is fucking cooked. Oh my gosh, bro. Well, this is like last calls if someone wants to do puts. I'm selling futures, I'm going short. But if someone wants to do puts, this is last calls for that. Fucking, let's see, what are 737 puts at? Bro, fuck it. I'm in. I'm in on those two. 150 cents. 737 puts. 150 cents. Bro, I'm in on three trades. Three trades. Oh my goodness. Well, two trades I added to the first one. 737 puts. 150 cents. I just made another trade. I'm in on two trades. Oh my gosh, bro. Let's go green as fuck on the day. So I just made a second trade here after I added to that. I bought puts. I'm in on 737 puts. We got in right here. So yeah, man. Let's fucking run this shit to fucking zero. Bro, just send the market to fucking zero. Send it to zero. Fly it off the fucking cliff. Just fucking send this shit to the gutter. Send it to the fucking, 737 calls. They're almost in the money. Oh my gosh, bro. We are fucking printing. We are so fucking back, man. We are so fucking back. There we go. There we fucking go. Bro, I'm holding the trades. The Bulls can go fuck themselves. You have to be an absolute degenerate to be buying calls in this market. You really would. You have to be a degenerate to be buying calls in the most bearish short-term move in historic history, where if the market goes below 739, it's supposed to just fly off a fucking cliff. So, we're holding our puts, If you guys want to know the day of holding, well, welcome to the day of holding. It's today. We're either gonna hold this shit and it's gonna flip green to red, or it's gonna be massive, massive fucking dubs. So it is what it is, guys. We're holding the trades. It can bottom here and go to 742, but bro, we're holding the trades. You guys know how this holding shit goes. We are holding the trades. In terms of this market, we're gonna be holding the trades today. It could flip. It really could. It could go to 742, but bro, oh man, that looks a little bullish right there. That looks a little bullish right there on the 1 minute. But fuck it. We're holding the trades. This shit can reverse right here. It really could. It could start to pop off like fucking crazy. But bro, we're holding the trades. It is what it is. So it is what it fucking is, man. We is holding the magically. Oh yeah, that makes a fuck ton of sense. I did the same. Yeah, that makes a fuck. Bro, was this shit silent the whole stream? Like, were we not? Oh my, maybe it's for the best. Fucking, you know, it's fucking. It started off so shit, anyways. Um, bro, how long were we out? Were we out the whole stream, or was it fucking? Oh my God, they're trying to revert. Bro, that's gotta be a sign. That's gotta be a fucking sign. Dude, was this shit muted the whole stream? The whole stream, this was muted? Oh man. Sound went off after you entered the put. Wait, it's only 10 minutes. All right, good. Bro, they said the sound went off when I entered the put. Bro, what the fuck, man? What the fuck is going on? They said the sound went off when I entered the puts. What the fuck? Oh man, bro, this is ridiculous, man. My mic is literally plugged in. Like, I don't know how the fuck that happens. This is never fucking, it's shit is plugged in. Like, I really have to sit here and monitor this shit? Like, are you fucking kidding me? Like, how the fuck does that even happen? Man, someone said you bought puts and then the audio went out. Oh my goodness, bro. Fucking, oh man. All right, so guys, look, the market here, it's cooked. This is either the exact bottom for a big spike in reversal, or it drops another 2 points. You guys know the risk of holding this shit, man. You guys know the risk, you know? The futures trade is green, the puts are still green. You can sell it all here and get back in. You guys know how this shit is, man. This market is fucking cooked. 100% cooked, man. 100%. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, I might just exit here. This is getting insane. I might just fucking cut this shit here. Bro, I might just say fuck it and get out here. You know, I don't want to flip green to red. Like, fuck that. Let's see. I really might just say fuck it and get out of this shit here. Um, bro, I might just fucking cut this shit. Fuck it, I'm out. I'm out, guys. I'm out of the positions. I got out. Fuck. I just gave back a fuck ton of profit. Oh man. Dude, fucking motherfuckers. Damn, bro. Hopefully that was a sign to just get out. Hopefully that was it. Because I just cut that shit. So guys, I'm out of my puts. I'm out of the futures trade. Um, I managed to get a W out of that, but fucking shit, dude. I gave back so much fucking profit. Like, fuck. If I would have got out right here, oh my goodness, dude. Fucking shit. Oh man. Fuck, man. The futures trade printed, but the fucking those fucking puts, we literally just fumbled that shit for a massive W. This shit, it flipped so quickly. In fucking 4 minutes, it just flipped. So it is what it is, man. Look, at least we're green on fucking something today, because this has been absolutely horrendous. It really has been. Today has been one of the most degenerate fucking oh, that's cool. That's interesting. That's interesting. It just disappears at the speed of light. That's very interesting. Um, so yeah, man. Today is fucking cooked. Um, so yeah. It's a cooked fucking, oh my gosh, bro. I should have just held it. Fucking, oh man. Dude, you gotta be fucking, oh my gosh, man. This holding shit, it's like some interesting shit, bro. It really is. I'm sitting here saying, bro, I don't want to go green or green. I take the W, and then it just collapses again. It's like, oh my gosh, bro. Fucking, dude. Today has been maximum degenerate day. 100%. Like, it doesn't get more degenerate than the shit that I'm looking at right now. This is fucking, oh my gosh. Bro, I just hate when they take forever to crash something, you know? That's just one of the things when it's like, bro, I hate when they take forever to crash it and then it just spikes, then it goes lower. Like, bro, these motherfuckers, like, really don't fuck with that. So yeah, man. The market here is, are you fucking kidding me? Bro. Oh my gosh, dude. I just fumbled the biggest fucking bag. Oh my fucking God. Dude. Are you fucking kidding me? Bro, this fucking market, man. It's like take the risk. I have to go green to red, and then it goes right back to green. It's like fucking there is no way to manage the risk. It's like just take the L or not. Like you gotta hold the trade, man. Like fucking oh man, what a fucking disappointment, bro. Jeez, that shit really damn, that shit dropped how fucking bro. 737.50 to fucking 730. That shit just dropped $1.50 in 2 fucking minutes. What the fuck, man? Oh my gosh, guys. This market is fucking cooked, man. The trade's about to go fucking green to red. I'm over here saying, bro, I'm gonna manage my risk, I'm gonna take the profit, and then it just drops $1. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my gosh. Dude. This fucking shit, man. This fucking man. Fucking trash of a fucking. Oh my gosh, bro. It's like the only way is just to hold this shit for fucking ever and just accept the risk. Like, this is fucking. This is horrendous. Man, it just crashes lower and then it just spikes again. Like, what the fuck, man? Guys, the market is fucking cooked. I hope everyone went short and made some gains, man, because this shit is fucking fried to a fucking T. Um, man, what a fucking day this has been. Oh my goodness, man. I try to manage my trade and then it collapses right after I get out. Like, fucking, oh my gosh, bro. Man, today there's just nothing to manage or do. All you guys, it's just hold the trades, man. There's nothing. Today's the day, man. Those people holding are gonna make a fuck ton. Fucking shit, man. Over here trying to manage the trade I'm holding, and that shit just cost me a fuck ton of profit. Motherfucker. You know, it could have flipped. It could have went green to red, but it didn't. Fucking shit. It just collapsed again. Oh my gosh, bro. That shit, bro. I just fumbled the bag of the century on that one. Fucking shit, man. If I would just waited 2 fucking minutes. Oh, man. Fucking what the fuck? That is fucked up. Then it forms a lower high. Bro, this fucking market, man. It's like, oh my gosh, bro. This shit is fucking cooked. 100% fucking cooked. Fucking L fucking bro. This market is fucking cooked. This fucking that was the dumbest shit I've ever fucking seen. Like the fuck? Bro, they're like fucking around in every realm of price action today. Like look at this shit. It has a big spike, then it collapses. It slowly consolidates, slowly goes up, has a spike, and then it collapses. Dude, they're throwing every fucking angle. Guys, the only way is to hold puts, man. That is the only way. If you guys are doing that today, you're gonna have an amazing green day. If you're not, today appears to be a high difficult day to do any fucking thing else. This shit does not appear to be fucking bro. The only way is to hold the put today, man. If you guys are holding shorts, you're gonna have a good day. If not, it's on the highest difficulty of whatever the fuck else you're doing. If you're scalping a put, that's not the easiest thing. If you're fucking scalping calls, you're going against the trend. If you're holding calls, you're getting fucked. So the only thing is just yeah, hold the fucking puts. That's about it, man. That's the only thing. This shit has been getting flushed since 740. So just hold puts, guys. Just hold shorts. That's the only fucking thing. Gosh, that pissed me the fuck off, man. What the fuck? That's some fucking bullshit, man. That shit literally dropped 2 points now after that fucking. Oh my gosh, bro. This market is fucking trash, man. It's like you really do have to hold this shit sometimes. Man, managing that shit cost me a fucking big W there. Fuck. Oh my gosh, bro. It's fucking degenerate fucking. Oh man, bro. Bro, losing is a choice. 100%, guys. Guys, holding is a choice. All we had to do was hold that shit. Would have been green as fuck. I could have just walked the fuck away for the man. That shit really did fuck with me. Oh my gosh. Fucking bro. All we needed to do was just hold 2 minutes. We fucking exited the peak. Oh my gosh, man. At least it was green. At least the trade was green. You know? This shit was still green. But fuck. That shit was getting ready to flip fucking red there, and I was like, bro, fuck this shit. I could just get back in. And then it collapsed. 2 fucking points. And now it's just dead again. Getting ready to try to drop again. Oh my gosh, man. Bro, I hope they take this shit to 732 and just send it off a fucking cliff, man. I really do. Like, fucking, oh my gosh, bro. I just fumbled the biggest fucking trade of the fucking century, man. We was short at 738. This shit's getting ready to go to 735. Oh my gosh, that would have been such a big W. Fuck, man. I really did fumble that shit. The fucking. Oh, man. Bro, I might just have to call it for the day, man. This whole fucking day has just been filled with loads of fuckery. Oh my goodness. What the fuck, man? But yeah, guys, the market is fucking cooked. Everything is fried. Um, you know, if you're holding puts, you're doing well. If not, bro, it is what it fucking is, bro. It is what it is. If the market goes below 739, it was supposed to crash. So it's definitely crashing. It's definitely the game plan did work. It said below 739 hit the puts, above hit the calls. Calls worked in the morning. Now puts are working, so the game plan technically did work. Easier said than done, but fucking shit, man. Bro, when we're at the best levels like that, we gotta hold these trades, man. Like fucking, oh my gosh, that shit is bleeding out like a fucking bro. That's literally like, oh my gosh, man. That's a full bleed out there. Like, oh my gosh, the blood is just not, it just keeps gushing out, man. There's no bandage, there's no med kits. It's just going out with a fucking bane there. Like, holy shit. Bro, I hope you guys made money, man. I really do. We had the most brilliant fucking idea. Fucking fumble that shit to the depths of fucking fumble. Bro, that was my biggest fumble of the century. 100%. That was it. That we would have made so much fucking, oh my gosh. Right here, short. Shit fell off a fucking, oh my. Bro. That was my biggest fumble of the century, dude. Fuck. That was one of my biggest fumbles, was that trade. Because I had the intention to hold it, and then it spiked, and I just got out of it. Like, oh my gosh, bro. That was the biggest fumble of the century. Fuck. Bro, I think at this point, you know, there's nothing to do besides just shorting the market and holding that shit. Because everything else is just fucked, guys. This can go to 732. It really could. We all know 735 is a bounce level. If I was shorting, I would obviously be taking profits right there. That's a bounce level. But bro, if it goes under that, we got another 3 point drop. And then you guys can do a YOLO lotto call at 732. Bro, the market here is cooked. 100% cooked. Um, at first, it traded fucking horrendous. Then a green, red, green, green, red came in, and then it flew off a cliff fucking finally. And now all it does is just bounce and reverse. Oh, look at this fuckery. The 30-minute charter is green, green, red, green. Bro, the market is cooked again. Every time it hits a good level to trade, it just gets cooked for like hours. That seems to be the trend today. It hits a good level, it's cooked for about an hour and a half, and then a big move happens. So, you know, if you guys are shorting the market or in puts, I would strongly consider taking profit here, 100%, and know the risk of holding if you're still holding. But bro, the market's cooked. there's not much left to say. Um, the only thing that appears to be working is holding puts. So it works until it doesn't. Manage your risk. I tried my best to manage that shit. It cost me the biggest, fattest dub of the week. And I literally, bro, I told him Thursday is gonna be the day where the big wins are gonna be here. And I fumbled that shit. I really did. Like that was the fumble of the century. Like, oh my gosh, dude, I'm so disappointed. You know, like I really don't even want to trade after that fumble because the fumble that I just experienced there, it's like, bro, that was something else. Like, oh my gosh, that's a special type of fumble. Like to buy puts right here, it drops and then it goes up, and then to cut the puts and then it just flies. Like that is a special type of fumble. It's definitely more on the degenerate rare side of fumbles. But my gosh, I would say that that's close to the fumble of the century, especially with the intention of holding the trade. That just makes it even a bigger fumble, you know, because I really did want to hold that shit. Bro, we only had to hold that shit for like 10 more minutes. Oh my gosh, man. Today has just been miserable, man. It's been a fucking miserable fucking day. This shit has not been working out for me, man. It is not. It worked out and then it stopped working out. Look, this shit just goes right back up again. Like, fucking. What a fuck of a day. That's just the one thing that a holding that I don't like. I don't like, the big swings of that, Like I don't like shorting. If I were shorting right here and then it drops and then I'm like, bro, this is gonna go a fuck ton of lower and then it goes right back. I don't like the swings of holding that shit. It's like you really do have to risk all the profit to make more profit. That's the only way, Like we went short right here. This shit dropped 2 points and then it spiked 2 points. And I was like, bro, I'm not gonna go green to red. I'm just gonna cut it. And then it fucking dropped um another 2.5 points. Bro, it's like literally when it comes to holding trades, a lot of the times it's like you have to risk all the profit. This is insane. Sometimes it does go straight up and straight down, but a lot of the times, if you guys set profit stops, you're just gonna get profit stopped out. And that's just how the market be a lot of the times. But that was fucking ridiculous. I would have had to risk all of my profit and go green to red and just to win bigger. Like this is upsetting. It really is. Like it just goes to show you if you want to hold and have the big wins, it's like a lot of the fucking times you just gotta hold and take the risk. And that's literally what the market is. Look at this. This is fucking ridiculous. Shit just bounced 2 points again. Bro, this shit is literally right back up towards the put entry again. Like these motherfuckers. Like that's what I'm saying. You guys have to know the levels. We knew 735 was a level to cut. Um, but this is so fucking degenerate, bro. So you're telling me I'm gonna hold this and it's gonna go lower, but as I'm holding, I'm gonna get back all the profits? Like that's what fucks with me is that shit. Like I cannot fucking stand that. This shit nearly went back up to where we exited that. It's so close, bro. So fucking close. Look at this. We exited this at 737s. This shit just hit 737 almost. It's literally right fucking there. Bro, this market is cooked. This just goes to show you of how fuck shit it is to hold a trade. It's like a lot of the times to hold, you got to give back all the profit, and then sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's like, dude, fucking, oh my goodness, bro. This is fucking ridiculous. What an L fucking market, man. Like, why can't the market just flush and flush and flush and flush? And it's got to switch up and go up 2 points, up 2 points. Fucking, it was decent here. Like, if people were shorting here, the pops weren't that big, but the drops weren't that big too. So it kind of averages out. But this is ridiculous. It has a small little, small, bro, it's fucking ridiculous, man. L fucking market, L fucking day, bro. I hope you guys are green as fuck. There's got to be someone who's green buying puts. I know that. I know someone out there is definitely green shorting buying puts, 100%. So L fucking day, L fucking market. Man, this scalping shit was extremely difficult today. The holding shit was difficult too. Oh my gosh, bro. Everything was just so fucked today. But yeah, man. This is fucking, fuck shit, robbery, shaking out everything, time to get back in, bro. The market is fried, guys. It's absolutely fucking fried. It's absolutely fucking cooked. It's like, oh my gosh, to scalp a call, you got to be in at the exact lows with precision. To hold a put, you got to just hold the put. If it spikes 2 points, then it tries to go lower. It's like, dude, everything's fucked. This is horrible price action. It really is. This is like maximum fuckery of fucks. So, today was not an easy day. I would say it was easy if someone just held. If they just held their fucking short position, easy day. Other than that, bro, if someone jumped in at market open on calls or they just held shorts, that's about it. Everything else, it seems highly difficult. It was even difficult and hard to hold the fucking puts and not shit fucking flash crash, but it went right back up. Fucking disappointing, bro. Literally, I was shorting SPY at 738. This shit dropped to 736.50. It went right back up to 737.70, and then it went lower. And now it went right back up. Dude, fucking this market is shit. It really is. Today was a shitty fucking day, man. What a disappointing fucking like, man, if we would have just held that and took the risk, green to red, it would have been an amazing day. But we didn't take the risk. But bro, the price action is trash. It really is. This is fucking trash, bro. Man, I don't whatever the fuck happened today, bro. But look, at least the game plan did nail that. It did say if the price goes below 739, stay the fuck away from calls and hold the puts. So at the end of the day, if we would have just, really held with that game plan and took more of a risk, it would have been a massive green day. But I didn't take the risk, the shit bounced, I got out. So I didn't take the extra risk and you know, due to that reason, it wasn't a massive green day. The shit is disappointing. I was so green as fuck. And then, like, 3 minutes later, all the fucking profits are getting taken out by this fucking $1.50 spike out of fucking nowhere. And then it just collapses again and goes lower. And then it goes right back up higher. Bro, the market is cooked. This is the definition of fucking cooked, man. This trading shit, it is tough at times. That's why you guys have to know the ideas. And everybody knows the main idea was we were just gonna kind of hold the trade. The scalping shit did not work. It was tough as shit to scalp this morning. But the idea was to kind of just hold the trade. We were looking to hold calls from open. And if it went below 739, we were looking to hold puts. So the ideas worked. But man, the way I fucking traded, I decided not to hold the puts, and fucking man, this is just a disappointing day. It really is, man. But I hope you guys killed it, man. I hope someone, it's like, bro, this shit went from 741 to 735. I hope someone crushed it on puts, man, because that's a 6 point drop. There was 2 times within that where it spiked 2 points instantly. Fucking bitch. Oh my gosh, bro. It's like 40% of the move was a spike of that. And literally like fucking 40% of the move was spiking in between that. So fucked up. But yeah, guys, this could be a good entry for puts and to go short, but dude, the 30-minute chart here, who the fuck knows what this is gonna do? It could just collapse. That would be nice. But we got a green, red, red, green. It hasn't closed yet, so it's not confirmed. It closes at 12 p.m., which is the most degenerate time to trade. Who knows? Maybe today's opposite day. Maybe 12 p.m. is the best time to trade. But no, bro, I think the main thing was just holding the trade because it was at the best levels. So, we did have the intention of holding longer. All the call plays definitely got us off track a little bit. And then when it finally crashed, I got it on the puts. We held the shit, and then it spiked 2 points, and we got out, and then it fucking sold off lower, and then it spiked up. Man, this day has been quite the fucker. But the main idea was just to hold the trade, so I fumbled that. The biggest problem for the day was just not holding the trade. That was the biggest issue, man. The scalps today were just not it. You had to get in and out very quickly and you needed the best entries. It could have been it. I could have scalped this. I could have, I was in right here. I could have just got out right here, but no, I fucking held the trade. And then I tried to manage it by cutting it and then it collapsed. But guys, this could be the exact peaks the market could crash here. Um, that's what I would prefer for it to do. That'd be awesome. But this could be a great level for puts. 742 is another great level for puts. 732 is the next level to scalp a call. And yeah, that's where we're at, you know? So if people want to try to short the spikes, it's been working all day. They can try to short the spike. It works until it doesn't. So just manage your risk and keep on winning and keep on milking this shit. Um, if you want to play it, if you want to wait for confirmation, bro, just 30-minute chart. You know, the 30-minute chart flipped green. It could flip the trend. The bears could apply pressure at 737, fly it off a cliff. But yeah, the overall trend has been bearish. 735 is definitely a strong level though. You know, that's why bulls have to be a little careful on dips around these levels because that's definitely a strong level. But bro, when the market goes below 739, I know I wanted nothing to do with calls. I didn't want to buy calls. I just wanted to short the market. So you guys can just keep trying spikes if you want, and then eventually just take the L. You know, it is what it is. Like, this could be an amazing entry for puts, or it could be the first time where they don't work at the spike. But the risks are definitely worth the risk. But bro, I'm chilling right now, dude. This fucking degenerate fucking. Oh my gosh, bro. This shit dropped 6 points, and it spiked 2 points twice in between that. That's like 40% of the move just being spikes. Fucking bears for the short term, forcing them to hold that shit or cut it. Man, market is fucking cooked. Not as generous as it seems. But it goes to show you if you stick with the main trade idea, you guys should be green because the main idea was to hold the trade, aim for the bigger percentage gains, and you know, trade the levels. So, yeah, man. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Today is definitely fucking um cooked, man. It is what it is. But yeah, if you guys watch the game plan literally said below 739, short the market and hold it, and I didn't give anyone any levels for calls. So if we would have just done that, this would have been a massive green day. I did hold it, and it was massive green, but then I held it more, and we gave back a fuck ton of profit, and then we got out, and then it flushed a fuck ton more. So I fumbled the greatest trade idea of the century. And if you've been watching all the live streams, I have been focused on scalping. Today was the day where we definitely, you know, to be green, we really need to focus on holding. I did hold it, and then I fumbled it, and I cut it. So it is what it is, man. I tried, you know, I tried to manage my risk. It cost me the best trade idea and biggest W of the day. So, you know, I think I'm gonna be done for the day. You know, I had 2 L's in the morning, and then I had 2 W's after that, and we added to the W. But man, I fumbled a massive profit. I fumbled it by not getting out on the dip, and then I fumbled by getting out right here, and then it collapsed to go lower. So that was two fucking fumbles there. So unless you guys want to short the spikes and keep doing that, I would just, you know, either do that and hold for a bit. And yeah, if you want to scalp a call, bro, 732. This level right here, you guys want to scalp some calls, you can keep your eyes on 735. It's still a good level. But this level right here, bro, we go to yonder, you're gonna see right here. This is the best level to scalp some calls. 732. 732, 735 is a strong zone. This can literally just hold 735 the entire day and just fuck with the bulls and bears for the rest of the day and just channel. It could do that. Until this shit goes below 735, it's just gonna try to channel. And then once it goes below it, if it happens, it's gonna go to 732 magnet for the gap close reversal. There's a gap that's waiting to fill at 731. So the best levels for calls could be 735 and 732 to 731. If you go with 735 calls, you don't risk a lot because then it's going to drop another 3 points if it starts to go under. And you can also try to short the spikes because that has been working every single time today until it doesn't, and then just chill. And then you have a shorting level at 742. So that's what I would say. You know, to hit 742, we got to start breaking out above 738. So that's where we're at. I will say there is high probabilities where 735 could be the low of day. And if it's not, then bro, if someone's in a trade, they just cut it and then buy calls at 732. And then they can also look to buy puts if they want to buy puts at 730, you know, the spikes. So that's where we're at, man. The way I perceive this is the low of day. It could be the low of day for the entire day. The market could just channel for the rest of the day. Eventually, if it does that, it could go to 742 and then crash. Or it could just channel, do nothing. If it goes below 735, it drops below 732. It drops to 732 and then calls 731, 732, puts on spikes. That's how I see this shit. So pretty simple. Pretty simple. I'm gonna be calling it, bro. The price action for me, what threw me off the most was how shit the price action was in the morning. That really fucked my scalps up. But the main idea was to hold a trade, so it kind of makes sense. That's another thing, guys. When we're at 100% the most best, unrealistic, unusual levels, we're going to focus more on holding because I've seen many times where the market does fuck around and act like shit when it hits the best levels too, instead of working right away, even though it's at the best times. So we're going to focus more on holding at the best levels. And then if it just works within our favor, we'll set profit stops, leave runners, etc. But yeah, man. I'm gonna call it here, man. Hopefully you guys are green. Hopefully you guys made money on some puts, man. But yeah, dude, the game plan was the best game plan to fucking print. It really was, but we fumbled the shit. So it is what it is, man. But dude, from here, I don't want any association with whatever the fuck this is because bro, this shit dropped 6 points. It's trying to reverse, and it's been an overall bearish day, so I would just call it from here. And we all knew that shit would bounce to 735. You know, the same way it's going to bounce to 732, 731. So I would say this is a good time to call it. If you want to try to milk it, you can short the spikes. But bro, it looks like it's just going to channel. It has high probabilities of being the low. Eventually, it could go to 742, then crash. Eventually, it could go under 735 and then crash and bottom at 732. So I know what to look for. Look, the main thing I'll say is this. If I were to trade this, you know, I would look for puts towards, let's see. I would keep my eyes on you know, look, 742, it's the best level for puts. If it drops to 735s and looks bullish, I would consider calls with tight stop below new lows. And if it drops to 732, 731, I would consider calls. I would just automatically get in if it drops that low. That's an auto buy entry, guys. 732, 731, just buy the calls. They should print. So we'll see. That will hit within some time, especially since this should drop 739. It could. But bro, I'm telling you guys, in terms of if the market is just gonna flash crash and keep going lower, or if it's just gonna hold and channel, bro, 735 is the level. I'm telling you guys, this is a very strategic level. This can literally just keep reacting as the lows. So if you guys want, you can just keep scalping calls around there and then just risk the lows because, bro, the upside potential is fucking crazy. And it can also trigger massive reversals to the 740s within time. So I would say from here, 735 is everything. You know, for this to keep being bearish and going lower, the next bear wave is below 735. Until then, it's just going to channel and either crash or channel and go to 742 and then try to crash. So, yeah, man, the best levels are 735s, 742, and 732. Those are the best levels. Anything else, you would just be trading in between this fucked up price action and channel. So, I'm going to call it here. You know, I'm gonna call it here, man. Hopefully a lot of people are green. There could be some that are red, but bro, if we would have just stick with the game plan, we definitely would have been green as fuck. All I had to do was hold that for like another 5 minutes, man. But holding can be difficult at times, you know, when the price action is degenerate. And you guys know I scalp more than holding. That's why after 2 L's, when I was scalping, I was like, bro, the game plan said to hold. It's reacting fucked up at the levels. I gotta hold this shit. So then I started to hold. We had a big W, and then it flipped green to red almost, and I cut that shit in the green. But after these 2 scalps were absolutely trash, I had the realization of if this goes below 739, the game plan said to hold the trade, and it said there's no levels for calls. So I had the realization, bro, 2 scalps didn't work out. We're gonna have to start holding. I held the trades. SPY went from 738 from our entry all the way down to 736.50, and then it spiked right back up. I cut it, and then it went lower, and then it spiked right back up. So, you know, if I did decide to hold the trade, I would have had to risk green to red to make more green, which would have been massive green, but I decided to protect the profit, you know? So it is what it is, guys. I decided to take the profit rather than taking the extra risk. And in this situation, that cost me a fuck ton of profit because we exited the exact peak. I mean, if the trend's bearish and it spikes, obviously it's going to be a fake out, but the trend could also flip too. So I chose to manage the trade by protecting it and getting out, and it cost us the biggest W of the day. So it is what it is, guys. I tried, man. The plan was below 739, go short, hold the trade. I held it for a little bit. I should have just held it longer and took the risk, but bro, I just didn't want to risk green to red. The price action was L. Basically, the price action forced me out unless I was going to risk green to red. And I already decided I wasn't going to go green to red. And I think one of the reasons why I decided to do that is I was just so fucking green here. I was so fucking euphoric and fucking ecstatic. Bro, I was so green that the mic went out. The mic went silent. The mic literally lost its fucking, like, it was peak euphoria. And then in just a couple minutes, this shit went up $1.50, and I'm sitting here saying, oh, fuck, this is about to go green to red, and I cut the trade, and then it just fucking collapsed and went lower. And now it's right back up. So, guys, you know, you can hold your trades, just know the risk. I didn't want to take the risk. The risk would have been 2 more L's and 2 more red trades that were very fucking green. Unfortunately, that was the exact peaks where I got out, which makes sense. If the trend's bearish, of course, it's going to try to collapse when it spikes. But, bro, I just didn't want to take the risk. You know, with this holding shit, a lot of the times it's just like you have to take the risk because it's just going to work out. But it's fucking annoying as fuck to just take that risk, man, of going green to red. This shit is fucking frustrating. Like a 2 point drop, that's a big fucking drop. Like green to red, are you fucking kidding me? And then it goes fucking 2 points lower after that. So, guys, the market's been a motherfucker, man. Easier said than done. Obviously, if you're just holding the trades, you wouldn't give a fuck and you would just hold and sell the dips, right? But that was the blueprint for today. It was to hold the trades. It really was. That was the only blueprint. Everything else was shit. This was trash. So it was just to hold the puts. I tried it. It worked. I was massively green, and then the shit almost flipped red. I cut it, and then it fucking collapsed lower. So it is what it is, man. I didn't want to take the risk of going green to red. It cost me a massive W. I didn't take profits right here on the dip, and right here on this dip, and that cost me a fuck ton of profits too. So, you know, when you guys are holding, just make sure you're setting profit stops and scaling out into dips on puts and scaling out into rips on calls. But yeah, man, this hasn't been my day. But if we just used the game plan and stuck to that, everyone should have been green, bro. If someone took an L on calls, they should have switched to puts below 739, held for a little bit, and been green as fuck. Like, you know, it's just the only bitch thing about puts was this shit was dangling at 739 for fucking ever and still spiking. And then as it was dropping, it spiked a fuck ton of times. So it was definitely a bitch of a fucking, like, man, it was a bitch of a fucking trade. But man, that did drop a lot. It's just we had to get in a little bit earlier for it to be more smoother and to consider risking more if we wanted to not go green to red. But yeah, we got in here. It fucking flushed. Bro, that's fucking ridiculous, dude. Look at that shit. We were in right here. This shit fucking collapsed. And then in just a couple minutes, it went almost right back up to this entry right here. Fucking absurd. Fucking absurd, man. That's the bulls for you. Those motherfuckers do step in. You know, things don't always just go straight down. But bro, it's just so disappointing because this dropped so big on such a large scale. But this spike right here really did fuck everything up for me. So fucking A, man. It's like the whole macro move was perfect. It's just 5 minutes of this bullshit fucked up my trade, and I didn't want to take the risk, and I gave back a fuck ton of profit. Oh man, shit is frustrating, man. This was literally perfect. Just fucking flushing, 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 big fucking spike, flush. Oh my gosh. And then the market just goes fucking insane. So guys, 30-minute chart here is getting ready to close. This is the worst time to trade for the day. Today was pretty shit in terms of the market open. The game plan made it good. If you guys listen and know with the game plan, but today was pretty shit. So who knows? Maybe this can actually be a good middle of the day session. Maybe this can actually be good. But look, we got a green, red, red, green, right? We got that. So this could retrace back to 740.50. It could happen. This could be where the bulls come in, they step in, they reverse the market. Look, I strategically remember when this happened in the market, the bulls held their ground. So buying dips is definitely appearing to be more attractive because I do remember when the market did this move, basically 735 was the low of day and it kept channeling and then it could break out or it could just keep channeling. But bro, 735 is legit. It's the exact lows and it looks like it has high probabilities of being the lows of the day. The bears are really, they're fucking up. The bulls just formed higher support at this V shape. And then you can see we got a higher V shape right here. So if you look at this, we have a big V right here. It just had a little breakout. Now it's got to hold support with a green, double red, green bullish confirmation. And then if you look right here, we got a smaller V, V breakout retest. You see, it's like this little cup and fucking handle shit. It's like a fucking V, and then you just attach a fucking handle to the V. That's what the shit is. It's a break and retest, right? And then if we zoom out, you're gonna see on a larger scale, look, there's a larger V right here at 737.50. There's a larger V, not down here at 700 and 3670. There's a larger V right here. We got a larger V. So if the bulls can form another cup and handle, bro, 30-minute chart is red, green, bullish reversal, green, red, red, green, bullish reversal. Look, this shit is no longer red, green, green, red, drop. Now it's green, red, red, green, up. However, it could be a lower high. If SPY maintains below this, it could be a red, green, red, retrace back to the lows, lower high for hours. Just like this shit was forming lower highs right here for fucking hours at this previous support. So guys, with everything that happened today, if we were to make a trade here, I would describe it as cooked. The market is cooked. Everything's cooked. Everything's fried. Everything's fucked. I'm gonna call it here. It is 12 p.m. as well, so fuck that time of day. But man, the game plan was good. It worked. I fumbled it because I didn't take the risk. I also should have been taking some profit on the dips, but I wanted to hold the trade. And then I held the trade and I was like, bro, we're about to go green to red. Should we get out? And then I got out. So, it is what it is, man. The market, the whole day was fucking cooked. It was not as easy as it seems. But, yeah, man, it is what it is. So guys, we're gonna call it here. No, nobody was tricked. Everybody knew the market would fly off a cliff at below 739. We were well equipped. We even bought puts. We bought puts right here. We went short right here. Everyone was well prepared for that. I tried scalping for the bullish trend. It didn't work. I cut it. So we were all equipped for this. I could have held it. I just didn't want to take the risk. And now the market flipped upside down again. So the bulls are clearly stepping in with their 735 low of day, which is probably going to be the exact lows of day. So yeah, man. Today was an interesting day. But yeah, we're gonna call it here. Definitely an interesting day. Let's see. So yeah, I'm gonna call it here, man. Um, so yeah, guys, I'm gonna call it here. If you used the game plan and actually held that shit, you should have been green. If you did what I did, today was difficult as fuck. So yeah, I'm gonna call it here, man. It's just gonna be maximum fuckery from here. So it's a good time to call it. But you guys know the levels, you know what to look for. So yeah, I'm gonna call it here. It's 12 p.m. So yep, I'm gonna call this here.